This just in, reported by the TMZ, Kobe Bryant died in a helicopter crash in Calabasas Sunday this morning. TMZ Sports has confirmed Kobe Bryant was traveling with at least 3 other people in his private helicopter when it went down. A fire broke out. Emergency personnel responded, but nobody on board survived. 5 people are confirmed dead, and we're told Vanessa Bryant was not among those on board. The cause of the crash is under investigation. Kobe Bryant has famously used his helicopter to travel for years, dating back to when he played for the Lakers. He was known for commuting from Newport Beach, California to the Staples Center in DTLA in his, I think it's Sikorsky, you guys forgive me if that's incorrect, 76 chopper. Kobe Bryant is survived by his wife Vanessa and their 4 daughters, Gianna, Natalia, Bianca, and their newborn Capri. Kobe has recently been spotted out at NBA games with his daughter Gianna, who's a rising star basketball player herself. Their youngest daughter Capri was just born June 2019. Kobe is widely considered one of the greatest NBA players of all time, making 18 all-star teams during his 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers. Now, I'm very sorry to hear that. And I hope that everyone will please remember to give condolences and pray for his wife, his children, and his family. This is Felicia Lockhart. This story came from TMZ Sports, and this has been the Lockhart Perspective.